Opus Clip is an AI-powered tool that repurposes long-form videos into short, engaging clips. You can monetize it in several ways. Offer short-form video editing services. Many content creators, YouTubers, and businesses need viral clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Use Opus Clip to quickly generate high-quality clips and offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Charge per clip or offer monthly content packages. Start a viral content channel. Use Opus Clip to repurpose existing YouTube videos into short clips. Post them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Sell repurposed content packages. Help coaches, entrepreneurs, and educators by turning their podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos into shareable clips. Market these services via LinkedIn, Twitter, or cold emails. Affiliate marketing and YouTube automation. Create a YouTube automation channel by repurposing trending content. Join Opus Clip's affiliate program and earn commissions by recommending it to others.